Good morning, dear children. Today we are continuing our lesson. Yesterday, what all things we learned? All of you remember? Okay, what all things we learned in the last class? What we learned? We learned about our environment. Our environment we learned. Then we learned the things in the environment. What all things are there in the environment? We classify them into which way? Yes, natural things and man-made things.
Listen the picture and find out what all things are there in this picture. All of you find out and say loudly. Okay, many things are there. We can see a cat, a boy, a dog, butterfly, plant with flowers, tree, then a parrot, then you can see grass, then you can see sky, clouds, kite also in this picture.
Listen, children. I wrote all the names on the board. You want to find out these things have any difference between them. Cat, dog, boy, flowers, butterfly, parrot, tree, clouds, kite, ball, grass. So these given things have some differences. In the beginning of this lesson, you see we have done one activity. In this, we put tick for two things and cross for two things. Because why we put like this? Because it is given that the things which breathe, eat food and grow, they can breathe, they can grow, they eat food. That is why we give put tick to them, and the next rock and sun we give cross in our textbook. Because why these features? Why did we give tick and cross? Because of the difference in their features. So these features we can see here also. Cat, dog, boy, flowers, butterfly, parrot, then tree, then grass. These all include in one group, and the cloud, kite, ball, these include in another group. How can we say them? What we can call them? What we can put in two groups? Because the cat, dog, this group are called living things. Isn't it? Because they have life in them. For living things, there are lot of features. Living things have lot of features. That features these non-living things do not have. That is why we group them into two. So all of you say along with me, the cat we can include. Cat has life in them. It can breathe. It can eat food. Can it grow? All of you say, how can we, which category we can put this cat? This cat is a living thing. So we can put L for it. Living thing. Then dog also living thing. Boy is a living thing because boy can grow. Boy eat food. Boy breathe. Okay. Then flowers. Flowers also living thing. Butterfly, living thing. Parrot, living thing. Tree, living thing. What about clouds? Clouds are moving, you see that. But can it grow? Can it breathe? No. It can move only. So we can include clouds into non-living thing. Okay. Then what about kite? Kite is moving in the air. Moving in the air. But kite can breathe? Kite can grow? No. So these living things all have the all features. Then only we can say that these are living things. But kite is not like that. It is only moving. Next is grass. Is grass grow? Yes. Grass grows. Then grass breathe. That is why we can say grass is a living thing. Okay. Then we studied that environment. In the environment there are natural things and man-made things. Natural things may be living or non-living. In your textbook you can see the pictures mountain, river, stones, sun, etc. These all are natural things. We already learned. But these natural things are non-living things. But some other natural things like animals, human beings, plants, they all are living things. So, natural things may be living or non-living. Understand? Natural things may be living or non-living. Like that. Man-made things. What about man-made things? Man-made things may be all the man-made things you can see are pen, pencil, eraser, a duster, book, etc. These all are man-made things. These are all made by human beings, isn't it? Then we can say that all the man-made things are non-living things. Is anything has life? No. That is why we can say that all the man-made things are non-living things. But natural things either living or non-living. Very good. So, these are the living and non-living things. Then we can learn about the features of living things. What are the features of living things? Living things breathe, living things move, then living things need food, living things respond. Okay. Listen children, keep your finger in the textbook and go through the lines. Repeat also. Things around us are either living or non-living. In the pictures given at the beginning of this chapter, the tree and the boy are living things. The sun and stones are non-living things. Living things. All of you repeat. Living things. Spelling LIVINGTHINGS. Living things. Okay. Repeat. Animals, birds, plants and human beings are all living things. All living things breathe, grow, eat food, move, respond to changes around them, give birth to young ones, and grow old and die. These are the features of living things. So, living things Animals, birds, plants and human beings are living things. They are natural things also. Animals, birds, plants and human beings are natural things also. Take the next page. Non-living things. Non-living things spelling NONLIVING THINGS. Non-living things. All of you say NONLIVINGTHINGS. What we can read? Yeah, very good. Non-living things. Non-living things. Repeat. Do not have life. Examples of non-living things are a ball, air, water, sun, soil, bus, a pencil, a book, and so on. So these all are non-living things. You can see the ball, book, all are non-living things. And water, air, sun, soil, pencil, book, bus, everything are non-living things. Up to here, you read the textbook properly, very well. 1 or 2 or 3 times you can read and collect your parent signature here. Put a box here, draw a box here and collect your parent signature here. After opening school, I will check this all. Understood?